let's catch up with my girls. I've been away for 2 weeks and I'm seeing them for the first time and they all look bigger. My caretaker has been taking care of them while I was gone, and most of them, the red color, Rhode Island red, seem to have grown a lot more feathers because the last time I left them they still had baby feathers, but now they look so much more mature. The white colors are the Keystone Golden breed, and they too have grown way bigger. Some of them weigh more than 1 kilo now. And today I'm feeding them pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds to see if they like it. It's their first time trying, so they kind of don't like it as much, but we will train them to like it because we want quality eggs.